Trading meme coins is one of the most insane ways to make money super fast. I myself have been trading Solana memecoins and have become a millionaire from doing so. Here's a live clip of one of my wallets, which I just made $200,000 in a few days with. You might think it's risky or something difficult, but it really isn't. In this video, I'm going to go through the entire setup of what tools you will need, how to find profitable meme coins, how to avoid rugs, how to take profits out, and also best groups to join for insider trading calls and Memecoin gems. So for starters, you're going to need to buy Solana, because if you want to trade, you're going to need Solana, and to get Solana, you're going to need to get it off an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or other ones. It's really easy to get. If you need help, look up a tutorial. Once you have successfully bought your Solana, you're going to need to get the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone, or you can get the extension on your Chrome browser. Then you're going to send that Solana you bought on Coinbase or wherever directly to your Phantom Wallet. So now that you have your Solana ready, you're going to want to sign up to a trading platform. Now by far the best one you could use is called Bullx. This is the only one I use and make all of my profits with it. Luckily, if you use the link in my bio to sign up, you can skip the waitlist and sign up immediately. Because they have so many members, without using the link down below, you will have to wait weeks before they let you in. But if you use the link, it instantly allows you in. So SC it quickly. So now once you're signed up on Bullx with the link down below, you need to get your Solana into the Bullx trading platform. So send it over to your Bullx wallet. To add funds, go to the wallet manager button on the left hand side list of options. Then you will be able to select the currency to add. In this case, you're going to add Solana, and they will give you a QR code or a wallet address to copy and paste. Okay, so now let's discuss some filters you're going to want to apply. For starters, on the DEXs option, I always only leave pump.fund selected. I find it way better than Moonshot and the other options. So I strictly use pump.fund as I have way more success with it personally. Also, for new creations, always select at least one social option. The reason for this is that if there is no social associated with the coin, it means the dev might be lazy and has a higher chance of it being a rug pull coin. If it has a social, it could be a better project that has less chance of being a rug, but also this doesn't mean it's safe still, because they could just throw someone else's link onto it. So still be cautious. Also, for the dev holding, the max should be 11%. If it's higher, that means the dev put in more than 3 Solana, which is a big red flag, so keep that at 11% max. Insider wallet supply should be 10% max. This will help us avoid rugs as well. Okay, let's take a look at the about to graduate section now. So select at least one social again. Make sure dev holding max is 11%, insider wallet supply is max 10%, volume minimum is $20,000, and token age is maximum 30 minutes. The reason I choose 30 minutes is because if a coin takes longer than 30 minutes to bond to raydium, it's a red flag. Ideally, the best play is bond in about 2 to 3 minutes max, so this filters for the best of the best coins. Okay, so now let's move on to the graduated section. So for dev holding, make it 11% max, insider wallet supply 10% max, volume $90,000 minimum, market cap $75,000 minimum, and token age maximum 120 minutes or 2 hours. So now let's take a look at the buy and sell settings. So if you're trading 1 or less Solana per trade, just use these buy and sell settings. If you're going to be trading 1 to 6 Solana per trade, then you're going to want to change the buy priority fee to 0.01 instead of 0.001. And same goes for the sell priority fee, change it to 0.01. If you want to trade more than 6 Solana per trade and dealing with really big meme coins that have like 1 million plus market cap, you can change the priority fee to 0.03 on both buy and sell. Also 20% max slippage limit, and enable buy maybe protection. Also make the buy bribe 0.01. But overall, the best settings are the ones I showed before, because that's safest for average traders and new traders. So now we have covered all the best settings and filters. So the next big thing you should check out is a Twitter crypto tracker, which I get over from this subscription I pay from Potion Alpha Discord group. This basically keeps track of all the major crypto influencers every time they tweet, and even bigger people who can manipulate coins and markets like Elon Musk, Donald Trump, etc.